to the Vegan Spice. My name is Joseph, 100% plant-based and 100% vegan, guys. What am I talking about today? We are talking about turmeric, my morning drink. Step inside, we gotta get it. Alright guys, so let me go ahead and give you a breakdown of what I got going on in front of me here. So this is about 500 mLs of water. If you want to go ahead and use less, then use less. If you want to use juice, go ahead and use juice. This right here is my daily morning routine. Some of the serving sizes of the spices, the oil, and this other stuff right here, it kind of varies, but it's pretty much the same, okay? We have the ginger, some good olive oil, we have some cayenne pepper, we have the pepperin, which is the pepper, and we have the turmeric. So the active compound in turmeric is curcumin, okay? So the ginger is good for anti-inflammatory, nausea and vomiting. It's good for the digestion. This right here works synergistically with all the other ingredients to help the curcumin absorb more effectively, guys, into your body, okay? Then we have the olive oil, okay? Curcumin is fat soluble, so that's why we need a fat. If you want to go ahead and use coconut oil, walnut oil, or any other type of oil, go right ahead. Remember, any of the ingredients in any of my videos substitute to your likings, needs, wants, and desires. So, the cayenne pepper right there, we have for the digestion, the blood cleansing, the metabolism right there. This is a power-packed spice. Then we have the pepperin, which is going to be pepper. All work together to help the curcumin absorb amazingly into your body. Okay? So, without further ado, let's go ahead and make that drink. So, I'm just going to add all of them to this water and pound it down right now. Like I said, the serving size is going to be different, but it's probably anywhere between a half a teaspoon, okay, and a teaspoon. So, we got a little bit of ginger right there. We're going to pour a little bit of the olive oil. We have the cayenne pepper, which is probably going to be about a little bit less than half. Then we have the pepperin, which is going to be the pepper. I like to put a lot in there, okay? Now the turmeric, listen, okay? Don't blow out your kidneys, don't blow out your liver. We like those, right? We don't want anything to happen to any of our organs in our body. So remember, if you have any questions, your holistic doctor, nurse practitioner, MD, whoever oversees your dietary changes in your life, go ahead and talk to them, all right? But I like to put in about a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon, just like that. And throughout the day, I might have another one. So, and another thing about ginger, it's good for the headaches, the clearing of the mind, the electrolytes, okay? So we're going to go ahead and give that a little bit of a stir, and we're just going to go ahead and pound that down. A little bit of a stir it up, a little bit more. You're going to have some turmeric, some pepper on the bottom. Go ahead and mix it up a little bit, and you're good to go. One more. That's it, guys. There's nothing bad about that. Remember, this is going to be my morning drink that I do daily. I might have another little one throughout the day, but for the most part, I hope you enjoyed the video. Be well, be safe. Again, guys, be yourself. Thanks for watching.